turned off the seatbelt sign. We'd like to advise you that when you are seated to keep your seatbelt fastened just in case we encounter some unexpected turbulence. On our way to New Orleans, flight time remaining looks like just about 1 hour and 28 minutes. Prior to the descent in New Orleans, we shall advise you of an updated arrival time and their latest weather. Until that time, please just sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. And if there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you.
My favorite pastime.
That's what you said?
Shopping. I was giving you a hard time about the shopping and I ended up getting more stuff than you.
Exactly. I just want to point out that out there that you shop more than me.
I don't shop all you.
Oh, sure. And then you ended up buying $200.
I ended up buying $200?
Yep. $244.
You made me.
Making me hungry.
What, the $200 to me?
No disappointment, even with the plastic utensils. Yeah, but it still was really good.
I don't think I can switch cameras here, but check this out. That's the guy from eHarmony behind us.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the eHarmony guy.
Yeah, we were not gonna regret it to wait for like an hour, right? Did we wait an hour?
Something like that.
And he was right. It's really good. So we should try one of the more iconic restaurants here.
And I don't think we should because they're overrated and they're overpriced.
No, the only one overpriced was that the Saints.
We have a cowboy in the house. I need a cowboy.
Come on up here. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up.
Where you guys from?
Philly.
Really? Gotta buy that. All right, scream for the cowboy. Somebody let me hear you scream. Are you ready? Over the edge, but Philly. Be a real Cajun cowboy, swallow a husky on the ride. Be a real Cajun cowboy, while I can't gallon hat. The people look at him, do the tiny knots.
So high?
My hair is crazy too.
No, it's not. Yeah, it is. It's okay.
What?
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 Come again? Pero es un vaso un poquito colorful.
Oh my god. Lick the plate.
Yeah, very well. We're putting everything else up for y'all right now, okay? Everything else is on its way down for y'all.
Okay.
Yeah, everything on the way, the plate, everything on the plate, on the way down. Let's enjoy.
Take selfie.
Oye, ¿cuál es tu mordidera? Muérdame la.
Take all my
That's live right now. Sorry. You go first. No, I go first. I will go second. 27 hours later.
The food is still not coming.
Yes, it is. Not coming.
Pork chop. Have some fresh silverware. Thing it wants. I eat tuna.
It's not our wedding.
It was really nice.
Thank you.